Hi everybody, it's Jenelle here from Pieces to Treasure. Welcome to my toweling tutorial. So this one today is about how to cut your toweling. Now this Moda Toweling is 100% cotton, comes on a roll like this. This one's a 16-inch wide toweling and the edges are hemmed down here. So when you buy it, it comes with lovely hemmed edges. So the trick when cutting toweling is to have your stripes straight. So today we're going to look at how to do that nice and easily and accurately. So on the cutting mat here I have one of the towelings from the Picnic Point range, and you can see it's a woven fabric. So you can see the stripes on the back and the front. Now because it's woven, the stripes running this way are usually nice and straight. So we're going to use those as our guide for cutting. So when we have to cut a strip of toweling to make a project, we cut widthways like you normally would from the hemmed edge to the hemmed edge. So we're going to use our ruler here to get our straight line to start with, and we're going to use our stripes as our straight grain. So on our ruler, use one of your horizontal lines and line it up with one of these woven stripes that run down the length of the toweling. So I've got the middle one here lined up, and then I check that another one here is lined up, and because of the weave on these towelings we can pull it a little bit like that, so we have another one here lined up on the stripe. This is giving us a nice edge exactly perpendicular to our woven stripes, which is what we're after. So hold your ruler nice and still and cut that off to give you a nice straight edge. So that's our first step. Our pattern might ask us to cut a piece 8.5 inches long. So we've now got our straight edge. We're going to use our ruler, and I have here an 8.5 inch ruler. Pop it on our toweling, lining up our straight edge. Once again, check that your woven stripes are lining up with the horizontal lines on your ruler. So it's straight on this end and straight on the other edge as well. So I've lined up this one, I'm lining up that one there, this one here, and the one here at the top. Now I can cut my 8.5 inch width. So there's my strip with lovely straight stripes running exactly across the fabric. So that's how to cut a length of toweling with your stripes perpendicular to your edges. Now, if we need to cut this way to create a rectangle, we can just cut exactly along one of our stripes. I'm going to use the line on the ruler to line up my two edges, and I'm going to cut exactly down the centre of that woven red stripe. If I have to cut a 4.5 inch rectangle, I'll use the 4.5 inch line on my ruler, lining up with my edges, and I check here as well that I'm equal distance from that stripe. And there's my piece, stripes running perfectly straight. Thank you.